Toncoin is shifting focus over to especially turn into the in every practical sense. Next genuinely enormous thing in the crypto space, or so they most certainly thought. They guarantee that will truly occur by turning into the by and large cutting-edge organization to in every practical sense. Join all blockchains and the current web. Very aggressive, isn't that so? In spite of the fact that we will not dive into additional subtleties in this article, the Ton biological system is very energizing, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Thus, in the capability of the venture, we fundamentally needed to impart to you our Toncoin cost expectations, conjectures for the years 2022 to 2030 in a really significant manner. Toncoin value forecast 2022 to 2030. Toncoin's future cost most certainly is challenging to foresee as it in a real sense is dependent on various variables, including the exhibition of the Toncoin organization, worldwide financial circumstances, the securities exchange, and the cost of extremely other cryptographic forms of money. Notwithstanding, assuming that Toncoin keeps on developing as an undertaking at its ongoing rate, it generally is in every practical sense conceivable that the cost assessment for Ton could undoubtedly especially return to its past prime and most likely in any event, in every practical sense, outperform it in an unpretentious way. Remember that these in every practical sense are for the most part hypotheses, albeit upheld by realities and certainly other to some degree strong variables. So, how about we head on to the fascinating part? 2022 Toncoin value expectation. A portion of the monetary business genuinely top names have generally loaned their weight to Toncoin's cost guess in an especially huge manner. The quantity of joint efforts and occasions with the cryptographic money area shows that many individuals basically are certain about digital currencies and truly broad in a kind of significant manner. As per that into Toncoin's exhibition over the course of the last year, it might accomplish huge recuperation helped by the current year's end and go over the price tag of $2.10 in a sort of large manner. All the more exactly, we truly anticipate that the cost of Ton should move somewhere in the range of $2.09 and $2.16. 2023 Toncoin value gauge. Incredibly, numerous investigators for the most part have made Toncoin's cost expectations for 2023. And the overall agreement is that the cost of Toncoin will keep on rising. This explicitly depends on various elements, including the rising utilization of the Toncoin blockchain, the developing prominence of crypto, and the general sort of uplifting perspective for the worldwide economy, which is very critical. While it especially is difficult to say precisely exact thing the cost of Toncoin will truly be in 2023, most specialists in a real sense concur that it has the kind of potential to arrive at new levels in a significant manner. All the more everything being equal, we can anticipate that the cost of Toncoin should all things considered reach $2.29, $2.36 toward the finish of 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge. 2024 Toncoin forecast. In the event that the development of Toncoin proceeds, we can undoubtedly see it getting gigantic reception. Our cost expectation for 2024 for the most part is basically as moderate with respect to all aims and purposes conceivable to not deceive you. As per our specialized investigation, toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Toncoin will really reach something like $2.39. In the event that we sort of allowed ourselves in a real sense to be somewhat more speculative, we'd especially bring it to $2.45 up in an unobtrusive manner. 2025 Toncoin value forecast in an unpretentious way. As per numerous Toncoin devotees and their cost forecasts, Ton costs might rise decisively in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $2.48 and $2.56. Remember that this could likewise explicitly be the year when we especially see another bear market, in which situation the cost can come around up to 80%, bringing about a cost assessment for Ton at around 82 cents. Nonetheless, the most practical assumption is for a midpoint of these cost levels in a sort of significant manner. With boundless reception, the possibility of Ton as an essentially modest and helpful computerized resource could turn into a reality in an unobtrusive manner. For this situation, we should likewise consider that the Toncoin organization can fundamentally extend and truly foster in a genuinely significant manner. All things considered, costs might try and go as beautiful high as $2.64, yet that certainly is very aggressive. 2026 Toncoin estimate. Keeping our extremely safe methodology, we won't attempt to sort of make absurd cost expectations for Toncoin, which is very huge, albeit really many break down and fundamentally accept that by 2026 the cost of Ton will especially be no less than $3 we'd in a real sense given alternate worth, which especially is very critical. 2026 explicitly is really not excessively far away. Yet as far as crypto, it sort of is. As indicated by our investigation, Toncoin will essentially be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of $2.75 and $2.92, which is genuinely huge. 2027 Toncoin value conjecture, which truly is very critical. As the years generally go by and Toncoin proceeds with its extension and demonstrates its utility, we can undoubtedly fundamentally consider it filling in the assessment to be well in an especially significant manner. By that, we especially imply that Ton will generally be assessed at around $3.05, $3.14, which truly is very critical. Through specialized investigation, it explicitly gives the idea that the sort of lower range of our value expectation will be more precise than the higher, which is very huge. However, obviously, the crypto market is very eccentric, so we should sit back and watch, which certainly is very huge. 2028 Toncoin forecast, which is genuinely huge. In 2028, on the off chance that Toncoin emerges with new tasks and encounters further reception, we can really see it possibly arriving at a cost of $3.17, $3.24 in an especially huge manner. Ideally, the undertaking will proceed to generally create and in every practical sense, draw in even certainly more crypto clients. In any case, it fundamentally is conceivable that it will for the most part lose the majority of its worth by 2028. 2029 Toncoin conjecture. For the last year of the 10 years, numbers show that digital currencies will have gotten comfortable generally, in spite of mainstream thinking. We imply that tokens will explicitly be nothing out of the very conventional any longer incredibly. Crypto as well as a wide range of crypto projects as well, NFTs, dApps, and so on. In that capacity, Toncoin will be moving from around $3.25 to $3.39 effectively, despite the fact that we can likewise see it arriving at the sticker cost of $3.44, which by and large is genuinely critical. 2030 Toncoin value forecast. Crypto cost expectations generally are dependably troublesome, as the digital currency market sort of is exceptionally unstable, which is very huge. Indeed, even genuinely more so when we generally are discussing 8 years into what's in store. A few specialists have gauged that Toncoin's cost could generally reach up to $3.61 by 2030. This would be a huge increment from its ongoing cost of around $1.70. Notwithstanding, it fundamentally is critical to recollect that Toncoin is developing, as is its reception rate, utility, and potential. Subsequently, a moderate methodology could in a real sense be most certainly more exact just for the primary portion of the 10 years. Thinking about the entirety of the above-mentioned, it would by and large give the idea that Ton explicitly is a for the most part encouraging interest in a genuinely huge manner. In this way, the cost expectations for Ton really are particularly sure, mostly on the grounds that the token has a ton of potential. Obviously, likewise with any speculation, there for the most part is no assurance that Ton will arrive at the anticipated price tags. Notwithstanding, assuming that you sort of are looking to by and large put resources into cryptographic money, Ton in a real sense is certainly worth considering, which for the most part is very critical. We will generally watch out for the improvement of Toncoin and how it performs. Its true capacity, coupled with our cost expectations,